Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Kakrar Jhal, that is crab curry in Bengali style. Let's get started. First of all, take 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 green chillies and make a fine paste with a little bit of salt. And keep aside. Let's pour 3 tablespoons of mustard oil on a hot pan and a pinch of salt. Now add pieces of 750 grams of cleaned crab, marinated with salt and turmeric powder. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. And shift to a bowl. Let's add 4 more tablespoons of mustard oil. When the oil is sufficiently hot, add 3 large finely sliced onions in it. Fry until it is golden in color. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and fry for some time. Then add 2 large chopped tomatoes. Again fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Go on frying until the oil separates out. Cover it with a lid. Now add fried crab. Cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Let's add previously made mustard paste and cook for 2 minutes. Add half cup of water and cook for 1 minute. Now add 6 slightly slit green chillies. Cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Cook for some time until the gravy is thick. Put off the flame and give a standing time of 5 minutes. Now Kakrar Jhal, that is crab curry Bengali style, is ready to serve. It is best served with hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of a new video. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar. He gets in the fewest number of